Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a look using the new Morphe holiday collection. So I chose to use the 15S palette. I just sat down with this palette and decided to do a halo eye. If you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. To start, I'm just going to set my eyelids and I'm going to use my excess foundation on my sponge and just blend out any creases, and I'm going to be setting that with Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Banana Bread. So just dab out any creases. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Face Bacon Blend Brush, grab some of that powder, and set it. Make sure that it's set all the way up to the brow. So for today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's new holiday palette, and this is the 15S Social Butterfly palette. And I'm just going to go in with hashtag add as my transition shade. And I'm going to be taking some of this on my JH36 blending brush. So the next shade I'm going to be going in with is Mean Girls. And I'll be taking that on my JH37 blending brush. And I want this color to run in a circle and like a halo above my eye. To help you blend it, just take the brush you used to add and just make sure everything is blending well. So next, to deepen this up a little bit more, I'm going to go in with Off Camera. And I'm just going to smudge that in my crease using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A27 smudger brush. And I'm going to be using my JH39 pencil brush to just blend that out. Picking up a little bit more. Going back in with that green to blend the black and the green together. So the next thing I'm going to do is go in and cut the middle of my crease, and I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Beige Stick Foundation. And to draw the line, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 flat concealer brush. And the color I'm going to put on my lid is Squad Goals. And I'm going to use that same flat concealer brush to apply it. So now to make the center of my lid pop a little bit more, I'm going to go over with Morphe's Metallic Eyeshadow in Poppin. Once again, I'm going to grab some on that black concealer brush. Now I'm going to blend the center into my inner corner and outer V using my JH39 brush and using that blue, green, and the black. And then in with that black. Now we're going to go in with the under eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using this Morphe S20 pencil brush. And I'm just going to grab some of that brown to add. Next I'm going to go in with that JH39, grab some of that squad goals. And I'm going to grab some black on that Anastasia Beverly Hills A27 brush. And then blend it all together with that Morphe S20. So now for my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to go in with Now Trending. And I'm going to go in with this JH42. It's a little tiny smudger brush. So I'm going to do a thin liner against my lash line just for the lashes to sit on, and I'm going to be using Morphe's liquid liner in Blackout, and it looks like... So now for lashes, I'm going to be going in with the Lilly lashes in Monaco. So for mascara, I'm going to be going in with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang. Make sure to get your bottom lashes. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's Brontour in Frenemy. I'm going to be using my JH03 brush. I'm also going to use the matte side to contour my nose, and I'm going to be using my Sigma E45 tapered brush. And I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Bacon Blend brush to just blend this out. So for my blush, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's Stellar Impact 8S palette. And I'm going to be going in with Comet. I'm just going to take this on my Sigma F15 brush. It's a little dirty, but that's okay. And just pick up some of this. For my highlight, I'm going to be going in with the same palette, and I'm going to be mixing Galactic and Meteor. And I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. For my nose highlight, I'm going to be going in with my A25 brush. And my Cupid's bow. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to line my lips with MAC Cosmetics Spice Lip Liner. And I'm going to be going in with Morphe's Lip Toppers. And I'm going to be mixing Mesmerize and Mind Reader. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and want to recreate it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Please leave any questions you have or your thoughts on this look in the comments below, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.